Have you ever seen a robot that moves like an animal? It's not science fiction anymore. It's the incredible world of bio-inspired robotics, and it's changing our future. What if we could build machines that learn from the genius of nature? From the way a cheetah runs to how an octopus can squeeze through a tiny crack. This isn't just about copying animals. It's about understanding the brilliant solutions that creation and evolution has created over millions of years, and using them to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. Bio-inspired robotics is about looking at natural organisms, plants, animals, even insects, and saying, wow, how can we replicate that? Think about it. Nature has already perfected things like efficient movement, incredible adaptability, and low-energy designs. By collaborating with nature, we're not just building better robots, we're creating more sustainable and efficient technology. These designs aren't just cool to look at. They lead to massive improvements in performance. The applications are mind-blowing. In medicine, surgeons are using snake-like robots to perform incredibly delicate operations with more precision and smaller incisions, meaning patients recover faster. In agriculture, drones inspired by the flight patterns of bees can monitor crops, pollinate plants, and even identify pests with pinpoint accuracy, helping us grow more food with fewer resources. And what about helping people walk again? Robotic exoskeletons, inspired by the powerful and supportive structures of insects and crustaceans, are giving people with mobility issues a new lease on life, assisting with rehabilitation and daily movement. One of the most exciting areas is soft robotics. Traditional robots are often rigid and metallic, but what if a robot could be soft and flexible, like an elephant's trunk or a jellyfish? These soft robots, made from flexible materials, can safely interact with humans and navigate delicate environments. Imagine a soft robotic gripper that can handle a fragile piece of fruit without crushing it, or a rescue robot that can wriggle through the rubble of a collapsed building to find survivors. This is especially critical in disaster response. When a natural disaster strikes, every second counts. Engineers are developing swarm robotics inspired by ant colonies. Hundreds of small, coordinated robots can search a vast area much faster than a single large machine. Just like ants foraging for food, they can communicate, adapt to obstacles, and cover more ground, dramatically improving the chances of finding people in time. We're also developing robots that replicate the amazing navigation skills of animals to find their way through treacherous terrain without GPS. With advancements in artificial intelligence, these bio-inspired robots are becoming even smarter. They can learn from their surroundings and adapt to unpredictable, dynamic environments, just like a real animal would. For example, bio-inspired sensors that mimic an animal's ability to detect subtle environmental changes can give us early warnings for natural disasters like earthquakes or tsunamis. As these robots become more autonomous, how do we ensure these intelligent machines make the right decisions, especially in critical situations? From the deepest oceans to the frontiers of space, it's a beautiful fusion of biology and technology, promising a future where our creations work in harmony with the natural world. This isn't just the next chapter in robotics. It's a whole new story being written.
Hey, the beat! Thank you for tuning in to Hip Hop Tutor. From the streets to the tech, you can build the future.